What if I told you that you could build a $70,500 per month app without writing a single line of code? Most people think you need years of programming experience or a computer science degree to create profitable apps. They believe app development is this complex technical nightmare that's only for the coding elite. But here's what nobody's telling you. AI has completely changed the game. In the screenshot, you can see proof of an app generating exactly $70,000 monthly. And I'm going to show you the exact step-by-step process I used to recreate it using just one AI tool. I'm talking about copying a proven winner, connecting it to Stripe for instant monetization, and letting artificial intelligence do 100% of the heavy lifting. No coding bootcamps, no technical headaches, just pure AI-powered app creation that actually generates real revenue. In the next 15 minutes, I'll walk you through my complete no-code blueprint, show you the exact AI tool that made this possible, and reveal how you can copy any successful app and potentially scale it to 5 figures per month. Plus, I'll share the 3 critical mistakes that kill 90% of no-code apps before they even launch. Let's dive in. The AI tool that we're going to use is Replit. And with my code Celine, you'll get a 10% discount and full access to the Replit agent. I added the link in the description below. So managing invoices doesn't have to feel like wrestling with spreadsheets or clunky software. This build is all about creating a tool that makes it quick and painless to send polished invoices and estimates. Something clean, easy to navigate, and organized, so you can find exactly what you need without digging around. And to set that up, I'm going to enter this prompt. Create a professional invoice maker app that allows users to generate, manage, and send invoices and estimates with ease. Include a clean home screen, simple navigation, and organized tabs for invoices, clients, items, and settings. Quick disclaimer. Making apps and earning money online takes real work. It's not as effortless as some YouTubers are making it sound. When I walk you through building an app, I'm just showing the process and possibilities, not guaranteeing you'll get the same results. The AI tools I use are real and the methods can work, but your outcome will depend on your effort, timing, and let's be honest, a little bit of luck. Many apps don't earn money right away and some never do. I'm not saying you'll get rich quick or be able to quit your job from this. This isn't financial advice or some shortcut to instant wealth. So I'm here to show you what's achievable, and what you do with that is entirely your call. Okay, now that we've got that out of the way, let's get back to building the app. So Replit begins by laying out the initial plan, which we're going to approve. Then it's showing us a preview of the app under the name Invoice Pro. The homepage loads with a sleek, professional look. After running diagnostics, it fixes a few TypeScript and client-side errors to get the application running. Now that the server is live, the app is ready for initial testing. So the first version already has the essentials in place. Here we can create and manage clients, add services and items with proper rates, generate invoices and estimates, adjust company settings, and track basic business stats. During testing, all invoice input fields work correctly, clients saved with their details intact, and items in the Items and Services section were stored accurately. Everything is running reliably, setting a solid base for the next features. The core invoice system is already up and running, so now we have to make managing the details just as smooth. Keeping track of who you're billing and exactly what you're billing them for should feel quick, organized, and stress-free. And for this one, we'll focus on giving you complete control over client and item records. So adding a customer, tweaking their contact info, or building a catalog of products and services is as easy as it gets. I'm plugging this prompt to start the build. Improve the client and item management system. Let users add, edit, and delete client details such as name, email, phone, and address. And create item entries with description, price, and tax settings. Include optional barcode input for item entry. The invoice management system now gives full control over both clients and items, with the ability to create, view, edit, and delete entries. complete with confirmation dialogues for safety. Items can include barcode and tax status fields, both clearly displayed in the updated table views. The item modal now features a dedicated barcode input and a simple tax toggle for quick adjustments. Every piece of client and item data, such as names, contact details, pricing, and tax information, is stored securely and persistently in the database, ensuring nothing is lost. After locking in a smooth system for managing clients and items, we're now going to make invoices and estimates just as efficient. The goal here is to speed up the process so you can pull in client details, select items from your catalog, and finalize the numbers without wasting clicks. And when an estimate turns into a confirmed job, converting it into an invoice should take seconds, not a full rebuild. Here's the line I'm going to give Replit to work with. Improve the invoice and estimate creation. Allow users to quickly generate estimates or invoices with client, item, and price details. Let users convert estimates into invoices with one click. Replit gets to work enhancing the creation system with faster generation tools and a one-click estimate to invoice conversion. It refines the Create Invoice modal for smoother item selection, adjusts the form initialization so everything loads correctly, and double-checks the file structure for stability. The invoice system now makes it easy to pull items straight from the catalog, speeding up the process of creating invoices and estimates. And with a single click, estimates can be converted into invoices, and both types can be edited anytime. The whole billing workflow is now faster, more flexible, and far more efficient from start to finish. Now that the invoice creation is faster and more flexible, I want to make sure every document you send looks like it came from your brand, not just a generic template. Professional touches like logo, consistent colors, and clean layouts can make a big difference in how clients perceive your business. And to get there, I'm entering this prompt. Add customization features to invoices and estimates. Let users upload their logo, choose from simple professional invoice templates, and select color themes to match their brand. The Invoice Pro app now comes with a complete branding and customization suite. Users can upload their company logo, choose from 4 professional templates, and fine-tune brand colors and typography. Every change appears instantly in generated PDF invoices and estimates, ensuring consistent branding across all documents. The interface is really straightforward, and object storage keeps logos secure while making customization smooth and reliable. Let's test it by uploading a sample logo and adjusting the theme. After downloading the invoice, both the logo and my chosen colors were perfectly applied to the PDF. And after making sure invoices look polished and perfectly on brand, I want to keep all that work safe and tied to the right person. That means adding a secure way for users to sign in, save their data, and pick up right where they left off, no matter when or where they return. And this is how I'm prompting the next step. Add user login and sign up functionality with email and password. Ensure each user can securely access their own saved data, such as clients, invoices, items. Enable session persistence so users remain logged in. The result is a fully functional login and sign-up system with validated forms, allowing users to securely create accounts and access their own data. All existing invoice records are migrated to a default user account to prevent any data loss. And branding settings, like logos, templates, and color themes, they all remain intact for each user. So now that accounts are locked down and secure, we're going to level up the part of invoicing everyone pays attention to: the final total. Invoices in the real world come with more than just a list of prices. There are taxes set, shipping costs to include, and discounts to factor in. And for this, I'm using the prompt, add financial settings to invoices. Allow users to add item-based or total-based taxes, set inclusive or exclusive tax options, add shipping costs, and apply item level or overall discounts. Include automatic calculations for totals. Replit starts by reviewing the existing invoice structure and enhancing it with flexible financial tools. The current basic tax system is expanded to include item-level taxes, shipping, discounts, and inclusive or exclusive tax options. The upgraded financial settings give users full flexibility over how their totals are calculated. They can switch between total-based or item-based tax modes, include inclusive or exclusive pricing, and even set unique tax rates per item. Discounts work just as flexibly, applied to the whole invoice or to specific items, either as a percentage or a fixed amount. Shipping costs have their own dedicated field, and every line item comes with quick controls for tax and discount adjustments. Real-time summaries and visual indicators keep every change transparent, ensuring totals are always accurate and easy to understand, all powered by a rock-solid calculation engine. But invoices don't just need to look good. They need to get to the right people. Given that all the numbers, branding, and details are in place, we're now going to make this easy to share in whatever way works best for the user. That means going beyond simple downloads and giving multiple convenient delivery options. This is what I'm sending Replit right now. Enable sharing options for invoices. Users should be able to export invoices as PDFs or send them via email, link, SMS, or print. Add Share button on each invoice. And Replit starts by adding the sharing infrastructure and UI components, then checks the invoice page structure to ensure a smooth integration. And after fixing imports and wiring up the sharing logic, it updates the database schema and finalizes the feature. Our app now includes a Share Invoice feature built directly into the workflow. From the Invoice Actions dropdown, users can open the Share Invoice modal and choose between 4 options. Generate secure shareable links with a 30-day expiration, send via email or SMS with custom messages, or print directly from the browser. Email and SMS functions are set up for service integration, and all shared data is handled with security in mind. All right, after sending out invoices, the real work begins, which is making sure payments actually come in. A good invoicing system isn't about creating and sharing documents. It's about keeping tabs on what's been paid, what's still pending, and what needs a nudge. So to launch this feature, I'm typing this prompt. Add invoice status tracking and reminders. Let users mark invoices as paid, unpaid, or overdue. Set automatic due date reminders. Include an overview screen for status filtering, for example, all, paid, unpaid, or overdue. The app now packs a complete invoice status tracking and reminder system, so staying on top of payments is now effortless. One click and you can mark an invoice as draft, sent, or paid, while overdue ones get flagged automatically. Color-coded badges make it easy to spot what's what, and you've got a full history log so you'll always know when something was paid. The overview screen gives you the big picture with live counts, real-time revenue stats, and smart filters to help you focus on exactly what you need. And when you hit quick actions like mark as paid or back to draft, the changes kick in right away, with every update neatly logged for your records. However, running a business isn't just about sending invoices. It's about understanding the story those numbers tell. So we're going to focus on transforming new invoice data into meaningful insights. So we're rolling out a premium reporting and analytics feature designed to highlight earnings trends, identify top-performing clients and items, and keep track of tax totals with precision. Here's the prompt I'm dropping to get it done. Add professional financial reports for premium users. Include options to view summaries daily, monthly, quarterly, or yearly. Allow sorting by items, clients, or categories. Provide insights on earnings, top clients, most sold items, and tax totals. Clearly label this as a premium feature with a lock or premium icon. This premium feature should have an overview in the dashboard. This should only be unlocked when the user has been upgraded to premium. Replit now implements a full premium reporting system with multiple time views, earnings insights, and client or item analysis, while ensuring it's locked for non-premium users. It also builds the backend logic, fixes errors, adds the reports method, and finalizes the premium-only access control. All right, the premium features are fully gated behind the subscription, so only upgraded users get access. Every report pulls straight from real invoice data, giving you accurate, up-to-the-minute insights. You'll see everything from comprehensive business insights, including earnings analysis, client performance, to time-based revenue trends, complete with a lock icon to remind free users what they're missing. So for anyone running their business through Invoice Pro, premium features like advanced reports are going to be a real game changer. And instead of making users jump through hoops to get them, the upgrade flow will be built to feel as easy as sending an invoice. Pick a plan, make the payment, and you're in. No hidden steps, no confusion. Just a straightforward path to unlocking more power in the app. I'm putting this in the prompt to get the job done. Add Stripe checkout to the app so users can upgrade to premium for $15 per month and $160 per year. When a user clicks upgrade to premium, ensure the user is directed to a payment success page, show a confirmation message, and unlock the premium feature, financial reports. Say the user's premium status to their account and show a small premium badge next to their profile. Replit updates the database schema with Stripe customer and subscription ID fields, then sets up the payment infrastructure. So let's pull both public and secret API keys from the Stripe dashboard with the publishable key used client-side and the secret key stored securely on the server. After putting the keys in place, the full subscription system is now implemented, covering monthly and yearly plans, payment processing, and automatic unlocking of the premium features. Now, let's test it out. If I click the Upgrade to Premium button, I'm taken straight to a payment success page. I'll choose the yearly plan for $160. After that, I'm redirected to Stripe in a new tab. And then, let's pop in my sample card details. A few seconds later, I'm back in the app. Premium features unlocked and a shiny new badge next to my profile. From here, the premium financial reports open up an entirely new layer of insight. I can break down performance by day, month, quarter, or year with crystal clear metrics on total revenue, invoice counts, average values, and tax totals. The system spots my top clients based on revenue and shows which items are selling the most, both by quantity and income. A dynamic revenue timeline ties it all together, giving a clear picture of how the business is performing and where it's headed. We've just stitched together every feature this platform needs to stand on its own. From the very first invoice to deep dive financial reports, every part connects seamlessly to create a smooth, professional experience. The framework is built. You just need to put it in front of people. Launch it, scale it, and watch it start working for you. And this is just one example of what's possible when you follow the right build process from start to finish. Please subscribe, drop a comment, and hit like so you're ready when the next big build drops. Thanks for watching. Catch you in the next one.